In today's episode, we venture out to the Trona Pinnacles, which is in the southern part of California. Organized by fellow YouTuber Erwin of Erga Venture, we all met up at Love's gas station over at Patterson, which is about an hour and 15 minutes away from San Francisco. Initially, there were 4 vehicles in our convoy. Myself in Wrangler Sahara Stingray, Erwin with his granite crystal metallic Wrangler Rubicon, Ferdy in his orange Willys 4xe, and Neil who came with his gray Lexus 470 Highlander. We traveled along I-5 south towards Bakersfield. From Patterson to Bakersfield, we only filled up about half a tank. From Bakersfield, we headed towards the city of Ridgecrest, where we were met by Maya, who came from San Diego. Hello folks, so we made it out here at Ridgecrest gas station, and we met Maya, who came from San Diego. I think it's about 3 to 4 hours from her place down here to Ridgecrest, and we are just gassing up and using the restrooms. So we'll see you back at Trona. On our way to Trona Pinnacles, we passed by Red Rock Canyon State Park. This would be probably our next adventure destination in the near future. Lalarga na! Los Angeles, Trona Pinnacles. Hello folks, we finally made it out here at Trona Pinnacles. Just looking at this area, Trona Pinnacles view is breathtaking, as though you are on another planet. Rising from the bottom of what was once an ancient lakebed, the Trona Pinnacles represent one of the most unique geologic landscapes in the California desert.
pinaghandaan ko tong camping na to dahil alam ko makakarating ka. Papasada na tayo. Ha? Ito mo yan, Trona Pinnacles. Ha? Gusto mo pumunta ng Alabang? Oh, gusto mo nawawala. Family use only.
Ako naman, tindero ng mais. Baka gusto mo sumama. Tindero ako ng mais. Tsaka mani.
Sanetidan! Namiss mo to? Ito.
Tabo-tabong mani.
Doon tayo sa monumento.
Ayan.
Galing oh, galing.
Ingat ka lang dyan. Dami mandurukot. Ingat ka dyan. Dami mandurukot dyan.
Sayang. Huwag ka nang sumali dyan, Steph. Baka matambay ka dyan.
Titinda ako ng balot. At saka pekoy.
Nasaan na yung wallet ko? Dinukutan mo ako.
Hindi ako. Wala akong kinalaman.
Mandurukot!
Ikaw mukhang mandurukot.
Camping at Trona Pinnacles is generally safe, but campers should be prepared for the remote and rugged conditions. The area is known for its unique geological formations and offers dispersed camping with no established campgrounds nor facilities. Alright folks, it's night time. Nighty night night. Oh, if you guys are here, you could just feel the wind howling outside. After a short discussion, we came up with a consensus and decided to change location due to the strong gusty winds that we experienced. As soon as we got to our new camp setup, it started to rain. So we also ended up sleeping inside our vehicles for the night. This was our view inside my Jeep. Good morning, folks, from out here at Trona Pinnacles. This is JM with Expeditionary Jeep, and it's about 9 a.m. and we've had our breakfast and coffee as well. Yeah, my colleagues are still back there. Boy, I tell you, last night was one for the books. Around 9 p.m. when we decided to call it a night, we were inside our tent, and you could just feel the wind howling. Our tents were just vibrating everywhere, and we've decided to move over to a different spot, which is a little bit lower in elevation, but the winds were still there, but a little bit tamer, but totally doable. Then around after an hour after we moved to our new camping setup, and since because the winds were just so strong, and all of us decided to sleep inside our vehicles. And let's do a shout out to our subscribers. Subscriber number 554, Julio of Bayshore Roofing Company, and subscriber number 555, Kevin of Hansen Laundry in the Eureka Valley District in San Francisco. And a shout out to Raymond of Castro Tarts on Castro Street, San Francisco. Good breakfast. If you're in town, if you're in San Francisco, head over to Castro Tarts in the Castro and try out their place. They've got good food, they've got good continental breakfast and Vietnamese pho. Special mention as well to my former colleagues, Corps of Leadership Training Teachers, Commodore Jomar de la Peña and Albert De Jesus and Paulo Soto. Shout out also goes to my buddy JP Martinez for sending me over those jeepney signs. Those are classic jeepney signs. If you've been to the Philippines, and one of the public transportation back there is a jeepney, which is a twist from the US military jeep, and it was eventually converted into public transport. So, buddy, maraming salamat with the goodies that you send me over. And of course, to my sister-in-law, Leah Massery, thank you for bringing my goodies over. And thank you for bringing those good morning towels. Special mention as well to my junior officers from the Adamson University Corps of Naval ROTC officers, Lieutenant Colonel Charlie Domingo, who is now assigned at the General Headquarters of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and Lieutenant Colonel Belinda Ferrer, who is assigned as Assistant to the Chief of Reserve and Rotary Affairs for the Philippine Marine Corps. Hoorah! Guys, leaving trash in BLM land is one of the main causes why BLM land gets closed. So please, please, please do your diligence. Ensure that before you leave your camping area or your camp spot, make sure that you leave no trash behind you. Alright folks, this is JM with Expeditionary Jeep out here at Trona Pinnacles, saying I'll catch you guys next time. Happy trails!